Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write bold text on Facebook. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Facebook application and then log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. After logging into your account, you will be taken into your homepage from which you can make your post by tapping on the post section. Now, if you try to make a bold post by first of all tapping your text, then you will find that even if you tap on the three dots after selecting your text, there is no option to bold your text. So if you wish to enter a bold text on this account, you will need to type in and bold your text within an online text editor. So open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in yatext.com and press enter. Once you end up within the Yatext website, just scroll down and within the Your Text section, you can type in your desired bold text. Once you enter your text, within the bold section, you will find a copy button. Go ahead and tap on this, and now your bold text will be copied to your clipboard. You can then go back to your Facebook post and you can simply paste this bold text. And now you can tap on the post button to create a bold text post using your Facebook. And there you have it. That is how you can go about if you wish to create a bold text post on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.